Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can copy another Shopify store. Now if you want, for example, to transfer your old Shopify store to a new one, or you want to copy, for example, Shopify theme and you want like to transfer it to a new Shopify, this video is for you. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to online store here in the left, click on it, and after that you want to click on here. It says like import, like here first you will have to download like this. Like you want to go to the old Shopify store that you want to copy, and you want to click on three little dots next, like to customize, and click on download theme file. Okay, after that you want to click on send email, and you want to check your email. Now you just need to go to your own email right now, and there will be as you can see, I'm going to reload this. If you cannot find it here, you want to click on more, click on spam file. Probably it's in spam folder. If it's not in spam folder, you want to click on trash. Okay, it's not here. I'm going to check here. So as you can see, we have received an email. Click on it, and as you can see, your theme export is ready to download. Now you just need to download it. Click on it, and as you can see, it's downloading right now in the top right. Now you just need to go to your new Shopify store and then click on, I'm going to switch to my new Shopify store. I'm going to click on this new Shopify store I just created a few seconds ago. Now you want to go to online store, and you want to click on import theme, and then click on import zip file. After that you want to click on add file, and just need to add the file here that you have downloaded, which is this one in my case. So we have downloaded. Click on upload file. Now just give it a few seconds. And as you can see, this is the theme. It's installing the theme in your new store. Now just give it a few seconds. Now after it's installed, you want to click on publish, and then click on publish again. And that's it, guys. Okay, that's exactly how you can copy another Shopify store. Now that's today's tutorial. If this one, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial. Have a good day.